Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at running a single user license on more than one computer. And this is also going to play into you network administrators in that a client workstation can run Traverse PC and automatically use an activation. And then when they exit Traverse PC, it removes that activation. So let's take a look at this. I've validated Traverse PC and I'm running it now. I'm going to go into Settings, Support, and here's a new option called Remove Validation when TPC closes. So right now, I am using this key for TPC Desktop and this key for the connection. So if I was to bring up my license manager, I would be using an activation count for those. If I went to another computer now and tried to run Traverse PC, and let me just do that real quickly here. I'm going to bring over a screen for another computer that's running, has Traverse PC on it. Let's go ahead and run this. Traverse PC is going to say, okay, I'm going to go out and check to see if I've got an activation available. Well, another computer is already using that activation. So what we're going to see Traverse PC do is pop up the validation dialog and say, okay, either you need to give me another key, or if I try to validate, it'll just simply tell me, you know, there are no activations left for the program. There are no activations left for the connection. So I simply can't run Traverse PC. I can't get past this. I can just cancel it if I want. So let's go back to our computer here, and let's tell Traverse PC that when I exit Traverse PC on this computer, I want to remove that activation. Okay, so let's go ahead and say yes. Let's remove exit Traverse PC here. Now let's go back to that other computer that we had open just a moment ago. And let's say now let's try to validate. So now this computer comes in and says, oh, validation is complete, and it's going to be able to run Traverse PC using that license that we were using on the other computer. So if I have a computer at the office, a computer at home, if I have a computer I take out in the field with me, anyhow, I can share my license with as many computers as I want, but only one of them can run at a time. If we were then to come back now and say, okay, I want to come back to that other computer and try to run Traverse PC here, we're going to see just what we saw, but in reverse now. So I'm going to validate this. Traverse PC is going to say, you know what, I can't run it because there aren't any activations left. So we're going to go into the other computer, and we're going to do what we did on this one. Let's bring this back over here again, expand this, and we're going to go into Settings, Support. We're going to say Remove Validation when TPC closes. Okay, so now on this computer, when I exit Traverse PC, I removed that validation and made that available for someone else to run Traverse PC. So let's go ahead and cancel out of this. So let's take a look one more time. I'm back on my first computer. Both computers have that setting. So now when I run 2018, Traverse PC is able to go out and say, hey, I've already been validated. So an activation is available. I'm just going to run. So you don't see anything more than that because you've got this setting set. And it's going to be like that on both computers. So to you, it's kind of invisible, but they're both sharing that license. It's just that you can only run one of those at a time, which is what we state in our license agreement. So how does this pertain to network users? If you're a network administrator and you've got a 50-seat license, maybe for a computer lab or whatever, you can have 50 client workstations at a time running Traverse PC. Let's say that 10 of those log off. Well, they just deactivated 10 of those seats. So now you've got 10 seats that are available for someone else to come in and use. So you don't have to manage, you know, these 50 machines are using those seats. You just have 50 workstations at a time can access that license. So great for you. Private folks sharing a computer between the home and office, also great for the network folks. Just come in, go to Settings, Support, and tell Traverse PC you want to remove validation when TPC closes, and you'll be able to share those licenses.